Hey everybody, this is Ruben Strepo, and keeping up with the accessories theme that I'm going with, I want to talk about something that a lot of people don't even consider an accessory, and that is a vest. So, what makes a vest an accessory? Well, number one, it's just another way of a layering. So you already have your shirt on, right? And bam, you got it's a great in between the tie and then you have your vest. If it's really cold outside, you can put the sports coat on and you're gonna look really good while doing it. But another thing, it can be a great replacement for your sports coat or your suit coat because it's not gonna be as hot. It's sleeveless. So you don't have to worry about putting another layer of sleeve and you can still end up looking pretty good. Also, another thing to note is that you have your pants and the vest, and it tends to look seamless. Now, they may or may not be the same color, but you have a seamless look because when you're wearing a shirt can sometimes get untucked, or it's pretty much inevitable, it will get untucked. And so then you have to keep readjusting it, especially if you're a big guy, you know, you're moving around and stuff, you have to keep readjusting it. You don't have to worry about readjusting it when you have the vest on. You still got to do it, but you don't have to do it as much. You don't have to worry about what's it going to look like to other people, right? Vests are also known as waistcoats, by the way. Another great thing about vests is just like a sports coat, it has pockets. So a lot of times it has pockets, and so you can put your keys right then and there. You also put your wallet. Just depends on the different things that you have. You don't want to have nothing too bulky because it will end up looking like that. Now, though, there's the same rule with a vest that you have with a sports coat is that last button we do not button. I don't know why, we just don't do it. I actually think it's because when you sit down, a lot of times buttons tend to pull apart from each other, especially if you have a belly. Or if you don't have a belly, when you sit down, you tend to create a belly. And I think that's the reason why. And that way it's spread out, and so it's not ripping apart at all the buttons. It gives it a little bit of a leeway. So that's it today when I'm talking about the vest. I hope you guys like this video. Leave a comment, tell me what you guys think about vests if you like wearing them. This is Ruben Restrepo signing off, so keep watching.